tired of seeing your well water pressure surge and drop all the time? Don't ignore it, as it can be a waterlogged pressure tank. The pressure tank of a well gets waterlogged when there is a leakage in it or when the tank's rubber ruptures. The leakage in the pressure tank's air bladder leads to the loss of a significant amount of air from the tank. As a result, the pump turns unstable and starts short cycling by switching on and off. It leads to low water pressure and a decreased water flow from the faucet. Here's how to fix it. Open your tap and empty your tank's water, allowing the cold water to run. Attach a functional pressure gauge to your tank's pressure valve while your well pump switches on and off. Ensure that the pressure is between 35 to 60 psi. Now, try to locate the air leakage area of the tank. If you don't find any leakage area in the tank, unscrew a faucet aerator screen and see if it comprises any tiny rubber pieces of the ruptured air bladder. Repair the tank in the air bladder's leaked or ruptured area. Ensure that no more air is leaking after the repair. Use an air compressor and pump the lost air within the tank. Ensure that the well pump is now working correctly. Finding this video helpful? Subscribe to our channel so that we can grow too. Coming back to the video, the well pump malfunctioning can also cause pressure fluctuations. A well pump usually malfunctions due to overheating or normal wear and tear. The minerals present in your feed water choke the pump and make it burn. How to fix? Check out your well's pressure pump settings with the help of an expert. If the pressure settings are okay, try to detect whether the problem is in the pump's functioning or if there's faulty pressure switch. Fix the detected problem by taking the professional's help. Deposition of hard water minerals can also cause well water pressure fluctuation. Because of it, you may find pressure drop problems at any particular point of use when the other faucet points are generating normal pressure. Here's how to fix it. Check out various plumbing fixtures, bathing tubs, faucets, and shower heads to see if there are any white patches or mineral deposits within them. If you notice any mineral deposits within them, clean them up immediately using citric acid or vinegar. You may also replace the old corroded plumbing fixtures with new ones. Now, check if the water pressure fluctuation problem is solved. In case the problem persists, call a professional for help. We have a detailed guide on all 9 reasons why your well water can fluctuate, along with solutions, which I'll link in the description below. And for more such helpful videos, subscribe to Aqua Professor.